I'm very glad to see you again. Long time we didn't talk about anything interesting, and I decided to film a video for you how to improve your salsa base. Yeah, very thrilling topic. And first of all, let's find out why is it really important for any salsa dancer, even if you think that you are already like upper intermediate. And of course, then I will give you a list of tips how to improve your salsa base. So stay with me. You know, we can compare it to running. For example, to run effectively, first you need to learn how to walk, because without this skill you will hardly be able to run. So the same happens in dance. To be able to do those beautiful and complicated stuff that you usually see in videos, you need to learn fundamentals, because all those complicated things are based on those fundamentals. And what I usually see is that girls want to be like wow on the dance floor without learning basics, because it is boring. But it is not. This is the base of your beauty and of your joy that you usually get from dancing. So how can you understand that you need to improve your salsa fundamentals, huh? Well, when on the dance floor something goes wrong, for example, you're doing something and you just cannot, and you don't know why, you don't know the reason, it doesn't matter how many efforts you invest, it doesn't work. So it just means that in the base of this movement, there is something that you are doing incorrectly, and you need to do 2-3 steps back and to correct it. That's it. After that, you will fix it so fast, just believe me. And one of the first things that you really need to learn is how to make and how to keep your correct posture and your body axis. This is extremely important because it influences everything you are doing in dancing, during dancing. It influences how you walk, it influences how you transfer weight, it influences your balance, your spins, your following skills. Please make sure that your position is vertical and there is no tilt forward. And the second thing that we need to learn after posture and axis is the way how we walk. So you should learn your weight transfer, correct weight transfer, and basic step. Of course, basic step. Start from the top of your foot and then distribute weight till the heel. Even if you hate to do that, we need to go back to this basic skill. You know why? Because basic step is the structure that lies exactly below all basic figures that you do in couple. So all basic figures are based on the basic step. And if you do it incorrectly, you will dance incorrectly. You will do mistakes in your partner work as well. And one more thing is also connected to our walking. This is a skill that I usually call interaction with the floor. Weird, right? When I'm walking, I don't think about interacting with the floor. But you know that if you gain this skill, your footwork will be really much better. Because interacting with the floor, you use the power of the floor. You use the power as a source of energy, and it helps you to make your steps more accurate, more exact, more full of energy. Also, interaction with the floor helps your body movement. Yeah, it really helps in many things. So I really advise you to learn how to do that. And the next step is still connected with our feet, as our feet is the base of everything we are doing because we walk all the time. So now we are going to talk about basic figures that you usually dance in couple. But now you should do them by your own, without the help of the partner. To stand on your own feet is the basic skill that you have to learn in order to be a really great dancer and follower. So please don't count on your partner and learn all the basic figures that you usually dance in couple. If you're dancing in line, so they are cross body lead, cross out, inside turn, outside turn, open break with copa, and actually that's it. This base is quite enough if you do it really correctly, so you will be really good dancer in future. That's it. And of course, turns and spins, because they are a really big part of our salsa dancing, and we cannot imagine our salsa life without them. But first of all, we need to understand that there is a difference between a turn and a spin. And as a good follower, you need to learn how to do right and left turn, also as spins. So not to walk during them, but only to spin. And this is extremely important, so you need to learn the correct preparation, the correct spin by itself with counting, so spotting, and also how to keep your axis during the spin, how to keep your balance. So being able to do all those things that I'm saying about now, you will make your salsa life so easier. So please pay attention to your salsa spins and turns. And the last thing we need to learn is our basic arms. Because without basic arms, we cannot dance. Our basic arms is part of our basic salsa skills. Just imagine yourself, for example, during small solo, doing an awesome footwork, but your arms are like this. You know what I mean. So there is a video about basic arms in my channel. You can watch and you can learn them. Please take care of yourself in order to feel yourself beautiful dancing. Because when your arms are synchronized with your footwork, it looks just awesome. You look just gorgeous, and I really wish you to feel yourself gorgeous dancing. So let me to invite you to annalev Lab, my dance project, where I teach in English. I teach girls how to be technically correct and how to be beautiful at the same time. So all those things that we were talking about today, you can learn just in 1 month. 1 month, and your base will be good. Yes. So click the link below the video, go to the website, subscribe, and you can get a 50% off, 50% discount for the first week subscription. So do it now, don't miss this chance. I'm waiting for you there, sending you kisses, wishing you to have a great day and good luck in your dancing. Bye.